Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Have a nice day. Good. In previous class, we have learned about what we have learned. We have learned about maps. How many types of maps are there? 3 types. What are they? Come on, tell me what are they? Good. Road map, railroad map, and world map. Very good. Okay. How can we read the map? Map reading also we have discussed in the previous class. We can understand the map by reading them. What is the map title? Map title. Come on. Map scale. Next. Legend and compass rose. Very good. Okay. Map title means what map title shows? Come on, tell me. Good. Map title shows that what is the map. Okay, see here. This is the map title. This is the map title. Okay. What is this map for? This map is for wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, wildlife sanctuaries. And map scale. What is map scale? What is map scale used for? Map scale is used for to measure the length on the map, and by measuring on the map as well as we can understand that how many kilometers are there on the road. Okay. Next, legend. How legend is used? Legend is used. How it is used? Tell me. Yes, legend is used to identify the places or the things what are there on the map. Okay. Next, compass rose. How compass rose helps to use the map? Okay, compass rose is used for pointing the places which are in north, east, south and west directions. Okay, how many directions we have? How many directions we have? We have 4 directions. What are they? Come on, tell me what are they? They are north, east, west and south. Very good. And how many sub-directions we have? We have 4 sub-directions. What are they? Northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Very good. Now, see. Answer these questions based on the information given in the map. Okay. Yesterday I have explained you this map. Okay. Now I'll ask questions on this map. Okay. See. Name one state each where lions and tigers are spotted. One place where lions and tigers are spotted. Where you have seen the lions and tigers? Tell me. Lions in Gujarat and tiger in Andhra Pradesh or West Bengal. Tiger in West Bengal or Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Next, second question. List the animals that you can be found in the sanctuaries of Northeast India. See the map. Observe the map. Which animals you can see in Northeast India? See, Northeast. Northeast means northeast. Northeast. Which animals you can see? Come on, tell me. We can see rhinoceros and deer. We can see rhinoceros and deer. And tiger. Okay. We can see rhinoceros, deer and tiger. Next, what would be the approximate distance between Pilbhit and Dodhwa Tiger Reserve if they were about 3 centimeters apart of the map. Okay, 3 centimeters apart of the map. See, from Pilbhit to Dodhwa, how many? What I told you here, one in map, on the map scale, map 1 centimeters is equal to 50 kilometers. See, like that, how many kilometers from Pilbhit to Dodhwa? Very good, 150 kilometers. Good. Okay, next. See, things I have learned. See, things I have learned. See here, complete the mind map. See. Okay. Now, maps. Types of maps. How many types of maps are there? Already you have wrote that. How many types of maps are there? 3 types. What are they? Road map, railroad map and world map. Very good. Map reading. Now only I told you. How can you read the map? Title, scale, legend, compass rose. Very good. Okay. Now you have to complete this in your book. Now see. See glossary, all of you, page number 13. Compass rose. Compass rose helps find directions when using a map. How compass rose is helped? While using map, it helps to see the directions on the map. Highway. A main road that connects towns and cities. What is highway? Highway means the main road which connects cities and towns. Legend. Explain what each symbol and color represent on a map. Okay, how legend is helpful? It explains that what are there on the, it explains symbols and colors what are there on the map. Okay, map scale refers to the relation between the distance on a map and the actual distance on the ground. Okay, how map scale is used? Map scale is used to refer that how many centimeters on the map and how many kilometers on the ground, to find out distance between distance on a map and a road. Railroad map, a map that shows the route of trains. What is railroad map? It shows the route of trains. Very good. Road maps, a map that shows road routes. What is road route map? A map that shows road route. Okay. Good. Next, fill in the blanks. A dash map shows the route the train takes to reach its destination. What is the map there? Very good. Railroad map. Good. Dash highways connect roads of different states within a country. What is that? A dash highway connects different states from states throughout the country. Means from Telangana to from Andhra Pradesh to Telangana, Telangana to somewhere like that. All states. Which connects all states? National highway. Very good. A dash map shows details of the continents, countries, oceans and seas on the earth. World map. Very good. A map dash describes the information given on a map in a single line. See, now only I told you. See, we will see the map here. Okay, this is the map. This is the map, and we have some information in legend. And we are we will see. Okay, this. See, How can you tell what is this? What is this map for? Title. Very good. Okay. This is your class for today. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.